I have installed the GTA 5 Enhanced. The game is not launching. To fix this problem, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In search, type GTA, close this program, and then to fix this problem, you need to update the game. Here is the update list. Two updates available. The second update we can update to fix it 13.33. Once you have the update, right click and select pin drawer and select the extract to option. Once extract done, open the extracted folder, open the folder, open this folder, right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once you've done this, launch the game. More info, run anyway option. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.